I'm going to show you exactly how to get started with our software right now. So first thing that you will do is once you are logged into the dashboard, it's quite simple. So first of all, this is your dashboard. Go to Profile, and you can modify your company information and all of that right here. If you go to Settings, you'll be able to manage your company name, address, and all of that here as well. Your appearance information. Okay. What kind of time slots do you want? All of that can be changed from here. Your payment settings, how you want to accept payment, PayPal, Stripe, authorize, and to checkout as well. So all you need to do is click on it, and you'll need to find these keys on your account. Okay. Email settings are right here. SMS settings, we're working on them, and you'll be able to purchase SMS credit. Keep in mind that SMS credits, we do not make money off it. It's straight up from Twilio. Whatever they charge us, you get charged, and it is optional. SEO settings will help you find out how many people are coming in and what's happening on your store. And you can also integrate Google Analytics by copying and pasting Google Analytics codes right here. Very simple. Okay. Let's move on. On the left, we have appointments. Now, the concept here is this. Now, you can go ahead and let other people set up an appointment with you, or if you want, you can go ahead and do it from here as well. Now, before we do that, we need to have some sort of services, right? Let's move on. Let's go to Services. Let's go ahead and add a category. Now, category could be, I don't know, let's say you are in the business of, salon, right? So let's go ahead and do haircut category. Now you can add multiple categories. So haircuts, and what else do they do that at haircut salon places? They also do shampoo. Maybe we can put that in. What else do they do? Oh, they do eyebrows. Okay, they can do that. They also might be able to do some sort of pedicure and manicure. So like this. Okay, now we need to add services. To do that, click on Services. Click on Add Service. So, men's haircut. And let's call it $15. Okay, and this time, this is pretty much, we can do 30 minutes. How long does it usually take? So it doesn't have to be exact, but put an estimate, okay? So I would put 15, usually not even 30. I think it's 15 minutes. And you can put 1 if you want to add padding. Padding is, let's say there is an appointment at 1 o'clock. Do you want the second appointment for this product to be at 1:15? Now, if you add a padding, that means there is 1 minute for checkout and things like that, okay? So I would do a minute or two. 2 minutes sounds good. Okay. And cut for men. You can put other information here as well. I also want you to encourage you to go ahead and put an image of that service right here as well. Add it. Now, what else can you do is you can also go ahead and add an add-on. Now, add-on is something that you can upsell. So you can make more money while using the service. So also on top of that, when people are booking a service with you, they will be prompted with an upsell. So that's an add-on, right? So let's say when you go to a McDonald's, they're like, hey, do you want do you want to make it extra large fries? That's called upselling. So add on, right? So add-on could be, let's say I'm getting a haircut, so maybe I want my beard done. Okay, just an example. Okay, an add-on rate could be $10 or $5, whatever you want. Add. So it has been added. Simple as that. Now next up, we can go up here. So we have added some services. Let's go back to services. So we have something here. So I think we're ready to move on, but you get an idea, right? Now let's move on. So next up is now we need to go ahead and add staff. So let's say you have multiple people working for you. What you can do is create them their own login, so they can log in, they can manage their appointments assigned to them, or they can see the entire store appointments, check people out, and things like that as well. So let's call it Billy Smith. And let's put a password. And let's click add. Now the staff has been added. They can also go ahead and do other stuff. They can also click on services. You can see where they can, so pretty much the idea here is, so when somebody's trying to book an appointment, you can allow customers to choose Billy, okay, if you want to. Schedule, when do they work? So what you can also do is put their working days. So what's that going to do is, if there is an appointment available, and if Billy's at the store, or if he's available, if he or she's available, they can take an appointment, days off, and stuff like that too. Okay, very simple, very easy. Now, I would set this up first. Next thing that I would set up is my location. Now, for a lot of people, if you don't have multiple locations, please turn it off. Okay, turn it off. Say, because if you don't do this, what's going to happen is, let me show it to you. It makes more sense. Let's scroll all the way down. Embed front end. Okay, you have an option of just linking it. So you can put a book me link on your website, or you can put an embed, this code. Let's put this for now, okay? This for a demo purpose. Okay, now haircut. Well, I turned it off. Let's go and turn on the location selector. Okay, let's turn it on. So if you have multiple locations, what you can do is like this. It'll show up this, and they have to choose the zip code or whatever. So it's not always zip code. It could be your own area, city. You can do that as well. Now keep in mind, this can be turned off very easily. Now, if zip code doesn't apply to you, just turn it off. Okay, you don't need it. Just turn it off. It's an optional feature. Okay, let's say you are in a different country where you don't utilize zip code, then just turn it off. That's all you gotta do. Okay, you don't have to worry about anything else. That's it. So you go ahead and do that. And next up is, let me show you. So on the front end, this is the link where people can book. Now they'll choose a service. Okay, do they want an add-on? No. Okay, so you should add an image, okay? And then they can select a time. And how often do they want it? One time. Now they can go ahead and either log in so they can collect points, or they can go ahead and register as a new customer or forget password. It's up to them. Now you can collect your payment at the venue, meaning at the store. That's what a lot of people like. But if you do want to get some booking fee, you can do that directly from the site. Make sure that you do have your payment set up from the settings. Okay, let's move on. You got that. That's ready. That's good. Now, one more thing. When a customer books an appointment, they can come up here and they can cancel their booking, request a refund, and all that stuff as well. On the left, we're here. Now, what we can also do is go up here in appointments, right? Okay. You can do all staff or Billy Smith. It's up to you. I can go ahead and choose. Just click on it like this. I can choose what I want. So in a way, you can do it on your end. Let's say somebody calls you. Let's say somebody calls your phone, right? Ring, 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 ring. Hey, I need an appointment for my haircut. Great. Let me go ahead and pull it up. I'm going to go here. When do you need it? Haircut. What time do you need it? Boom, boom, boom. Are you an existing customer? No, I'm a new customer. Okay, cool. I'm going to go ahead. You can do guest customer, and all you need is their information like this, and boom, you are on their way. That's pretty much it. Now, once you are done with that, I'm going to actually set up an appointment so you can see what it looks like. So haircut, $15. Let's do it. Today is 28. Let's go back. Today, let's do it 17. Let's do 17. I think it's all. I think let's go there. 10 a.m. One time. Let's do new customer so we can see what it looks like. Now, usually you will do guest customer if you don't want to collect too much information, but it's up to you. Now, if you already have a customer, go to existing, and you can pull it up. Let's go to new customer. Let's put their email. This is an example here. Smith. You can put their phone number. Let's put their address if you have it, because it's really good to have that information. So 101 East Park Boulevard, Plano, Texas. Yes, okay. And that will be the summary. Boom, boom, boom. And hey, you'll pay your set. And once they are booked, let's go and put up one more thing. I need to put a real password. That's what it's saying pretty much. It's going to randomly put it in. Okay. Book. Appointment has been booked. So the appointment is right here. Okay. Now, rating. What is rating? What is, all this stuff? So keep in mind that, a customer will also get an email rating the appointment, because you do want to collect that feedback so you can improve your business. Does that make sense? Let's move on. Very sweet. So you can confirm an appointment. Okay. You can change customer detail, payment details. You get the idea. Okay. Mark as complete. I don't want to mark that as complete. Or you can reject or cancel it. So you have an appointment already ready to go right here. And you can go to customers and you'll see your customer right here. Always you'll see their appointment. And you can also see the previous appointment as well. You can also always click on their name right here for referral code. Now the referral code, what is it? Now referral code is a code that they can get from their account. Now what it does is it allows them to refer people to you, and they will earn a point. Now if they collect points, so right here you can disable it. Keep that in mind. I didn't do that, so I need to log in. Make sure you logged in. Then you can go ahead and click on this. And the way it works is you can always disable it. The way it works is, let's say people, someone refers them to the store, and then they'll earn points. Now you can set all that up, and you can find, they can earn like a free haircut. All that's up to you. Let's move on right here. So we covered appointments, services, customer. Payments is when you receive payments. It's right here. Just have it right here. Okay. As staff, we can add more staff. Okay. And schedule is, so you would come up here and you can pretty much set up hours. Okay. When you guys work, all that stuff right here. Location we talked about. Refund request is if they request a refund. Let's say they sign up for like an appointment and they cancel by going to their customer portal, then you'd see it right here. Okay. All of that right here. You can also do cool things right here. Coupons is if you want to provide discounts, you can do that. Referral settings is here's how it works. Okay, so if they go ahead and put a referral code, both parties earn points and also value if you want them to. Frequency discount is, let's say somebody wants to get a service from you every month, you can give them a discount, right? All that you can disable it as well. Now these are just templates to send out just for reminders. You can just change it up. Just click here, customize each of it right here. Okay, this is for staff as well. So when there is an appointment set up for let's say Billy, right, and Billy has to confirm it. Yeah, I got it. That's how it works. Okay, all of it is included right here. Now the form, this is the form that people need to fill out. Now sometimes you don't need people's address. You can just shut it off right here. All of that, okay? It's right here for you. Languages. Hey, you speak a different language, you can go and change it up if you want to. If you want to have multiple languages, we do support that as well. And color scheme allows you to change the color, how your store looks, all of that right here. Okay, as you can see. Embed front end. This is the front end of your booking center. Now you can just link it. That's what I recommend. Now, if you want to go and put it in your own page, you can just copy this code. You can put it on WordPress, any site. Ask your web developer, and they will be able to assist you on that. Okay. Support tickets is if a customer has a question. So if a customer has a question, they can file a ticket and they can answer a question. Now, support tickets would be like, hey, I signed up for this, but do you guys also do this? Is the shampoo included? Does that make sense? It's just questionnaire. Export allows you to export all this data and put it into your other softwares, Excel, QuickBooks, and all that stuff as well. And that's pretty much it. And you can export your customers, so you can do it, send them to your email marketing campaigns, all of that as well. So yeah, that's it. Simple software. It does the work. I think you will love it. And if you have more questions, please reach out to us and we're more than happy to help you out. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.